company was set up in 1984, rapidly grown, particularly over the last 10 years since it was listed on the German stock exchange. We have in Germany, we have a business that was originally set up investing in residential property, diversified into commercial, and the assets we have under management now in Central Europe are over 14 billion euros. 50-50 residential and commercial, and we act for about 30 pension funds, insurance companies, investment houses, savings banks in Germany. And there was a desire from a number of our investors to actually look to diversifying into other countries in Europe. So the Patrizia strategy is to expand throughout the Nordics, throughout Central Europe, and the UK was a very important element of that movement out of Germany. Came into the UK early part of 2013, and started acquiring properties after we bought Tamar Capital, which gave us our FSA regulated business, and from there on building up the teams in both residential and commercial investment. It's quite interesting actually, because not many people know of our business. In fact, since we've been here, I would say that probably 80% of the people coming to the stand have never heard of Patrizia, which is quite interesting. I mean, for those that transact in Europe, we're really well known because we're in Germany, we're the third biggest house builder now. We've got close to 2 billion of construction projects going on in Germany, and obviously we're one of the biggest property companies in Germany as well. But the UK a very new name, so it was opportune. We've bought close to over £1 billion worth of investments since we came into the UK, and it was an ideal opportunity for us actually to show some faces to the property industry, and MIPIM London was a good opportunity to do that. One of the main reasons that I assume that MIPIM have decided to come to London is this whole issue about the desire from international investors to come and actually invest in the UK. Clearly London in the first instance, but actually there's a lot more interest from international investors now in terms of going out to the regions, and we've seen that in places, particularly in places like Manchester and the other top 8 cities in the UK, a lot more interest to invest in both commercial and residential investment.